Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Edge. So, I was setting up Microsoft Edge the other day and realized you can actually create separate profiles, which is super useful if you want to keep work and personal browsing from getting mixed together. So, I open Edge and went straight to the top right corner where your profile icon is. Click it, and from the menu, I selected the option to set up a profile, and right away, it asks whether this is for work or personal use. So I choose personal just to test it out. Then I skip syncing my old data and continued without importing anything. So it feels like a fresh start. And after that, I got to customize things like theme, appearance, and general layout, which actually makes the browser feel a bit more personal instead of default. And even notice you can pin certain websites for quick access if you want shortcuts on your taskbar. And once everything looked good, I just click finish and the new profile was ready immediately, which honestly makes switching between different browsing setups way more organized and convenient than I expected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.